Hello everyone. Today I would like to talk about my experiences as a Caribbean traveler. Caribbean islands may be very tiny compared to some huge countries that I've traveled to, but many aspects of the Caribbean culture, such as the food, the language, and the fashion, is evident and has a huge influence on many major cities. I will discuss in this video some of the stereotypes and misconceptions I have encountered as well. Everywhere I go, I meet another Caribbean national. I think I'm even able to spot them in a crowd. There's usually something different about the way they look compared to the other people in the crowd. For example, their hairstyle, the way they dress, their clothes, something familiar to me that helps me determine that they are indeed from the Caribbean. Caribbean people have migrated all over the world. So even though I think it is safe to say there are Caribbean immigrants in every country, people seem to always be very excited to meet someone from the Caribbean. At least that has been my experience. In my experience, when I visit large cities like London and New York, people of other races seem to be more open and tolerant of others from different backgrounds. I have come to understand that the Jamaican culture is very strong and vibrant even in places like Japan. I've never visited Japan, but I hope to go there one day very soon. As you leave, sorry, as you leave the major cities and go to the rural areas like the country parts of America, prejudice is more obvious. While attending college in Houston, I met people in my classroom and even on the street who were amazed at how good my English was. They said to me, "How can you speak English so well and you're from Jamaica? Don't they speak another language in Jamaica?" After receiving this question, I usually have to hasten to educate them that English is actually the native language of Jamaica. Yes, it is. But those of you who don't know, Jamaicans are taught British English in schools from as early as kindergarten. Many Jamaicans also speak English at home, while also speaking the Jamaican dialect, which is broken English and is made up of words borrowed from the major cultures of our Jamaican ancestors who came to live in Jamaica from other countries. So Jamaican dialect is influenced by words from African dialects, French Creole, Dutch, and Spanish dialects. Most times when I meet people and I tell them that I am from the Caribbean, I'm usually bombarded with a lot of questions and stereotypes. For some reason, they think that there are only black people in Jamaica. Nope. Jamaica is a wide, diverse ethnic mix. It is sad, though, that even though most people in Jamaica may be mixed, they are prejudiced against each other. Again, that has been my experience. In Jamaica, there is a class system that is summarized in the popular saying, "If you are white, you are all right. If you are brown, hang around. If you are black, stand back." Wherever I travel outside of Jamaica, people are so excited to hear my Jamaican accent. They think I am unique and that I am from some faraway exotic fairy tale paradise. Did you watch that movie How Stella Got Her Groove Back? Where Stella is watching an advertisement of Jamaica. And in this ad, Jamaica is this beautiful country with lush vegetation, clear blue water, white sands, sexy, exotic looking, dark-skinned men, etc., etc. Yes, that is the image most people have of Jamaica. Unfortunately, the advertisement forgot to show the parts of Jamaica where there is so much extreme poverty, where people are too hungry to even enjoy the beauty. Many Jamaicans are watching that same advertisement Stella was watching of this beautiful exotic Jamaica and saying to themselves, "Wow, where is this place? We would like to visit there too." On the other hand, there are a few people who may have another extreme view of Jamaica, where they immediately ask me if I have watched the movie Belly, which is a movie that showed Jamaican gangsters. And those people who have watched that movie believe all Jamaicans are like the Jamaican characters in that movie. Or the conversation usually goes immediately to a discussion of the movie Cool Runnings, which they also expect me to have watched because I am a Jamaican. One thing that never ceases to amaze me is the influence of Caribbean culture in foreign cities. For example, music like reggae and soca, and Caribbean food like Jamaican jerk chicken with rice and peas, and Trinidadian curry with roti. Many people expect me to be able to cook all the different dishes they tried during their visit to the Caribbean. And I have gained lots of friends whose friendship is based on their expectation that at some time in the very near future, I am going to invite them to my house and cook for them. Another influence of the Caribbean culture I have seen numerous times is the dreadlock wigs attached to a hat with Rastafarian colors. Sometimes I see people with the dreadlocks, the Bob Marley hat, the Bob Marley shirt, shorts, shoes, backpack, and I am so certain that they are Jamaicans. I go up to them and say, "Hey, are you Jamaican?" They reply enthusiastically, "Yes!" So then I ask, "What part of Jamaica are you from?" And their response varies from, "Oh, I'm really from New Orleans," or, "Oh, my great grandfather visited Trinidad once, and or they may say, "My mom took a cruise to Jamaica once." And that makes them Jamaican. Some of the very brave will answer, "Oh, I am from Kingston." So I ask, "Really? What part of Kingston are you from?" And then they start to stutter. Anyway, I continue to be amazed by how much people embrace Caribbean culture. There are people who will tell me the history of Jamaica, of Marcus Garvey, and of course Bob Marley and Usain Bolt and other notable Caribbean people. And I feel ashamed that they know more than I do. What is it about tiny Caribbean islands that some people can't even find on a map, which enables them to exert such a strong influence on culture all over the world? So that was just a few of my experiences. I have many more to talk about, but that is for another time. Thank you for watching my video, and please comment below. And I will see you in the next video.